Holy moly, are you kidding me? Okay, so till now we've unboxed and reviewed so many PC items on the channel, right? So today these guys have literally sent like a fully configured custom gaming PC for our channel. Now that is what I'm talking about. So what happened is few days back I got a call from Kryptronix Gaming. Now these guys are like a very popular PC store and they're based out of Delhi. And they were like, Vimal bhai, you unbox and review so many PC items, right? Ek bar hamara bhi PC review kar do na. And I was like, why not? Send it over. And bam! It has literally been delivered today, and I'm like very excited to unbox and see what these guys have sent us. Now the specs and configuration of the PC are also like very interesting, guys. In fact, a lot of people have been asking me to make a video on this sort of gaming PC, and that is what I'll be doing in this video. So thing is, now a lot of people are like very interested to like buy or build a gaming PC, but problem is not everybody has like proper knowledge or experience on how to build a PC at your home, and because of that they don't want to damage their brand new components or take a risk with their PC. That is the reason they usually go for like markets for custom PC builds and something like that. This is where Kryptronix Gaming PC store comes into play, guys. They've been in the market since many years and offer like one-stop solution for all your PC requirements. They deal with all sorts of custom gaming PCs, either for creative sort of applications or gaming needs, whatever, AI, coding, anything. Just give them a call, tell your requirements, and they're ready to help you, guys. Free consultation is also provided. And not just offline PC store, they also have like an online website as well that goes by the name Kryptronix.in, and here also you can directly go there, build your own custom rigs and get like a full price quotation, everything, guys. So definitely check out their website. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And not only this, they also have like a solid packaging and ship these gaming PCs all over India, no matter where you are, and have like free delivery, cash on delivery options available for people living in NCR region. So that is definitely an added benefit. Apart from that, they also have like other services like EMI service option is also there. We'll talk about that once we get into the PC building part. So first of all, now I'm like very excited to unbox and check out the custom PC these guys have sent us. So let's quickly get started with the unboxing. So our brand new custom PC from Kryptronix Gaming came in this sort of packaging. Massive packaging, guys, definitely quite heavy. I mean, look at the whole packaging over here. It took me almost like 25-30 minutes just to take the PC out of this packaging, double layer packaging. And one thing I totally forgot to mention is the brand also offers like a live streaming feature where you can actually see how their engineers and PC builders are handling your components, and everything can be seen in real time. Definitely appreciate their service. So as soon as you open it, all your component boxes were also placed inside the package, and there you go. Finally got my hands on our brand new custom PC, and look at that, not just the exteriors, on the inside also you have like foam packaging to keep your PC and components safe. So that was our quick unboxing part, and as you people saw, solid packaging, right? PC was like safely delivered all the way from their store in Delhi to Hyderabad, guys. No damages, nothing. But some of you people might have some sort of questions like, what if something goes wrong and you might receive some damage in the components, or maybe like usually tempered glasses may be shattered during shipping. What happens in that case? Nothing to worry about. Everything will be taken care by Kryptronix Gaming, guys. All you need to do is simply make like a video recording while unboxing the whole PC, and if you have proof, right, simply give the video to them and they will only take care of everything, because the whole shipping is insured, so you don't need to worry about that. Plus they also have like hassle-free warranty claims as well, because usually PCs have like multiple brand components on the inside, right? And say something goes wrong and you might receive some sort of damaged product, right? You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to go to that particular brand store service center. No, simply reach out to Kryptronix Gaming and they will only take care of everything, guys. Warranty, claims, and they will only get you replaced and delivered at your place. So definitely one-stop solution. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look and talk about the configuration and specs of our custom gaming PC we received today. One thing I have to give you a heads up, guys, before always choosing a configuration or choosing the parts, right? First of all, decide why you're building this PC. Is it for gaming purpose or for creative purpose? Because based on that, right, components can change. Say for example, you're building a PC specially for gaming only. For gaming, right, GPU is always more priority than the CPU, guys. So even if you go for like a 6-core CPU, right, it will get your job done. Just make sure that it has like higher clock frequencies, because higher clock frequencies is more important for gaming purpose. Say for example, you're building a PC for creative sort of needs. Here CPU should be given more importance than the GPU. Make sure you choose a CPU that has more number of cores and threads, maybe like 8 core, 10 core, and GPU will be given second priority. So today's PC configuration was specially designed for like excellent buttery smooth 1440p gaming, and 4K 60fps gaming is also possible. That too, it is built on a newer gen platform, right? So it's future proof as well. DDR5 RAM support is there, and also supports all NVIDIA technology technologies like frame generation, DLSS, ray tracing, everything can be done, guys. So let me quickly talk about the specs and configuration. The CPU we have chosen is AMD's Ryzen 5 7600. Value for money CPU, guys. 6 cores, 12 threads with a max turbo clock of up to 5.3 GHz and offers like excellent performance for your gaming needs, guys. Now coming to the motherboard, I didn't wanted to spend a lot of money over here because as I've told you, we were having a budget of only around say 1 lakh to 1.2 lakh rupees. So the motherboard I chose is from Gigabyte. This is their B650M gaming Wi-Fi edition, DDR5 edition motherboard. So you're getting DDR5 RAM support, Wi-Fi support is also there, and supports AMD Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. So what more do you need for this price point? It only costs around like 11,000 12,000 rupees. Now coming to the GPU, as I've told you guys, this was specifically made for like gaming purpose, and that too for like buttery smooth 1440p gaming and 4K 60 FPS gaming, right? We went for Nvidia's RTX 4070 Super, and this one is from Zotac, guys, the twin edge edition that actually features 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory. Coming to the RAM we've chose is from T4's Delta RGB DDR5 edition, 16x2, so totally 32 gigs of RAM clocked at 6000 MHz, and this is also like a really good choice. Moving on, if you ask about the cooler, power supply and the case, all these three are from Antec. So we're actually building like a full Antec themed gaming PC over here, and that too these are brand new components recently launched in the market. First of all, let me tell you about the cooler. The cooler we'll be using today is from Antec. It's their all new Symphony 240 all-in-one liquid cooler, guys, 240mm AIO, and has like really good features. See, AMD's Ryzen 5 7600X definitely tends to run a bit hotter during intense gaming sessions, so don't compromise on the cooling solution by going for like affordable budget category air cooler. Spend a little extra, 2,000 or 3,000 rupees, and get like a decent 240mm liquid cooler like the one I'm using in this video. It's got some really good features and build quality is also pretty nice. You're getting like high density nylon tubing, that too with leak proof technology, and main highlight would be that chrome finished ARGB lighting pump head, guys, fully customizable addressable RGB lighting that can also be synced with your other RGB components. If you ask about the power supply, Antec has a new model over here, guys, CSK series 750 watt power supply. This is what we'll be using in today's video. So for this sort of configuration, actually 650 watt would also get your job done, but just to be on the safer side and for future proof sake, right, I went with a 750 watt power supply. It's a 80 plus bronze rated power supply and also comes with a 120mm quad fan on the inside that keeps your PSU running cool. And last but not the least, PC case. This is also something special and new model from Antec. This is their Constellation series C3 ARGB edition and comes with a beautiful 270 degrees full view tempered glass design. You're getting a panoramic glass view design that extends all the way from the side to the front as well, and also comes with like pre-installed 420mm ARGB fans. It's a beautiful case that is not just about the aesthetics but also works on the airflow as well. This is what we'll be using for our today's PC build. So that was our complete overview on the specs and configuration. Now we'll talk about the pricing and all the details at a later part in the video. First, let's quickly jump into the benchmarks and check out the performance of this PC. As I've told you, it's a very well balanced configuration and is great for gaming and streaming purpose. We'll be doing variety of testing including a different resolutions, 1440p and 4K as well, that too along with ray tracing, DLSS, frame generation, on and off comparison as well. So the first game we'll be testing out today is Horizon Forbidden West. It's a brand new title recently launched on the PC platform, so it'll be like a good test for this configuration. So as you can see right now in this first clip, we're playing the game at 1440p resolution and very high graphic preset. Also, if you go down, you can see that all Nvidia technologies like DLSS and frame generation are off. I want to show you the raw potential of this hardware. So there you go, sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the gameplay. Oh my god, are you people looking at that frame rate? Muska performance, guys, buttery smooth gameplay. On an average, even without DLSS and frame generation, we were getting around like 80 to 85 FPS on Horizon Forbidden West. Now that is what I'm talking about. Now you people know, right, 4070 Super is a very well capable GPU with up to 12 gigs of GDDR6X memory, and you can do some excellent gaming over here. But wait until I actually enable Nvidia frame generation and DLSS and show you the improvement. Quickly enabling them from the game settings, and there you go. This is the kind of difference I was talking about. Now on an average we were getting around like 120 to 125 FPS, triple digit FPS, guys. You can have a look at all the PC stats at the top left corner including CPU and also GPU thermals as well. So that was about the 1440p benchmarks and tests. Let's quickly enable 4K resolution at the same graphic settings set to very high, and also both Nvidia's frame generation and DLSS also set to quality. And on an average, we were still getting around like 85 and sometimes hitting 90 FPS also at 4K resolution, very high graphics. Excellent performing PC for the price point. Moving on to the second game, which is Cyberpunk 2077, doing similar sort of test, and in this first clip, right, we will be playing the game at 1440p resolution and ultra graphics preset. Just like before, Nvidia's ray tracing, DLSS and frame generation, all of these are off, and on an average we were getting around like 65 to 70 FPS. Not bad. I mean, Cyberpunk is a very graphic intensive game, and for this PC to able to run this game at maximum graphics with a consistent 60-65 plus FPS, it is a pretty good deal, I would say. Quickly enabling ray tracing at psycho settings and also enabling DLSS and frame generation. Now look at the kind of improvement you're getting over here, guys, and that too with ray tracing. 120 to 125 FPS is pretty damn good. Now I know you people are excited to see if the PC can handle Cyberpunk at 4K, so let's quickly do that. Switching the resolution to 4K and keeping the graphics same as before, ultra and ray tracing set to psycho, DLSS frame generation, both of them are on, and my god, on an average we were still getting around like 70-75 FPS. Not bad. I mean, if you can play like Cyberpunk with these sort of settings set at 4K, this PC can easily handle all your AAA title games. Muska performance, guys, no sweat at all. So that is pretty much it. This is what I wanted to show you regarding the benchmarks and performance. Keeping that aside, I know you people are excited to check out the pricing details as well. So let me quickly drop all the pricing details right on your screen. You can check out all the pricing details for each and every component over here. And to give you like a rough idea, right, if you want to build a PC exactly like how I did using all the Antec theme and components, right, it's gonna roughly cost you around like 1.25 to 1.3 lakh rupees. But if you're tight on a budget, you can actually compromise a bit on the RGB lighting and greatly reduce the pricing as well. It totally depends on you and your customization requirement. As I've told you, this PC is readily available at Kryptronix Gaming. I'll leave a link to their website in the description box below, and if you have any sort of doubts regarding EMI options or payment related options, right, you can definitely message the brand on their WhatsApp number. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.